Hi everyone, Chrissy Baker here with Keller Williams Realty. The weatherman says that it's going to be triple digits on into next week. So for this open house, you won't even need to leave the comforts of your own air-conditioned home because I'm going to bring the open house to you. I'm standing in front of 104 Lightfoot Trail in the Colony in Bastrop. This is not to be confused with Austin's Colony. This one is a much different gated community. It's located about 20 minutes from the Austin Bergstrom Airport and about 35 minutes or so from downtown Austin, really close to the conveniences of Bastrop, easy access to Highway 71, and actually even easy access to Houston. This house in particular sits on just a little under 1 acre. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house that is a little over 2,800 square feet. And it's a brand new build. So you really don't want to miss this virtual open house because I will take you through every single one of the rooms, beautiful bathrooms, beautiful finish out. Just go to my business Facebook page. It's Chrissy Baker Realtor Keller Williams on next Tuesday, July 14th at 7 p.m. Once again, that's Tuesday, July 14th at 7 p.m. on my business Facebook page, and I'll just do it straight from my Facebook Live. You'll be able to ask me questions in real time in the comments section. So once again, 104 Lightfoot Trail, July 14th, Tuesday at 7 p.m., and I will see you there.